everyone, so today I have a tutorial for you for some ripped, bloody, and gory nails. I'm starting off with Dollface from Pure Eyes, and I'm using cuticula nail tape to make it look like my nail is ripped, and I'm just applying it on my nail like super thick, and I'm gonna let that dry. So after applying it, you want to let it completely dry, and then I'm just taking a water marble tool and ripping some holes into it, and I'm just doing it kind of lightly so I don't peel it off of my nail. And now to make it all bloody, I'm using Yappa, Will You Marry Me? I will have links down below, and some Sinful Colors, black on black, just to give it some more dimension. So I'm just putting on the polish where the nail tape is, and I'm just patting it on, doing some drips, applying just a little bit of black to darken it up to make it look like scalp and flesh, and then going back in with the red polish and just kind of going on my skin and making it look messy. So I hope you enjoy. This is fun for Halloween or just if you're doing some crazy nail art. So I hope you enjoy. Any questions, leave me a comment down below. Bye.